Top 5 Best Pressure Washer, 3000 PSI. Number 5. Simpson Cleaning MS60763S. Here we have another pressure washer by Simpson. This is the Simpson Cleaning MS60763S, which features a 3000 PSI at 2.4 GPM water flow rate. This gives this pressure washer a total cleaning power of 7,740, slightly less than its bigger sibling, that MSH3125, which I mentioned above. But still a very respectable number. This cleaning power is produced by a 196 cubic centimeters Kohler RH265 premium residential engine and an OEM Technologies axial cam pump. These are mounted onto a welded steel frame, which is supported by 12-inch never flat wheels. You get 5 quick connect nozzle tips, 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and soap, and a 25-foot long Morflex non-marring, kink and abrasion-resistant hose, which uses an M22 connection. The quick connect nozzles are stored on board the pressure washer near the handle for quick access and storage. The high-pressure hose is also stored on a simple hook on the unit when not in use. Pros: immense power. Look, if you are using this in your yard, you aren't going to be left wanting. Fantastic warranty policy. You get 2 years for the engine, 1 year for frame and pump components, and 90 days for spray accessory items. Cons: siphon tube for detergent. I prefer a tank. The Kohler engine can be a pain to start. Coming in number 4. 1PW31 Gas Pressure Washer. Here we have the 1PW31 with 3100 PSI and a 2.5 GPM water flow rate, which translates to 7,750 of cleaning power, a very decent number. The 1PW31 is an incredibly powerful residential pressure washer. The engine that powers this pressure washer is a 208cc OHV 4-stroke engine with a single-cylinder design and forced air cooling. You get 5 quick connect nozzles, 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and a separate tip for soap. The body, towards the handle, has a holder for each of the tips so you'll never lose them. You also get a 30-foot reinforced hose, at 5/16 inches in diameter, that keeps its firm shape and supports extended range, and a 42-inch quick connect spray lance, with M22 threaded connections. This pressure washer also features a built-in, onboard soap tank which can hold 32 ounces of soap or pressure washer detergent. Pros: very powerful and easy to use. Very quiet for a gas pressure washer. 32 ounces onboard soap tank. Smart and well-balanced design that gives stability. Decent warranty. Cons: no electric start, just the classic pull cord. PSI is fixed, you cannot adjust it other than changing the nozzle tip. Not carb compliant. Coming in number 3. Generac SpeedWash 7122. This pressure washer by Generac, the Generac SpeedWash 7122, has a 3.2 QT fuel tank, a 16-ounce oil tank that uses 10W30 SAE30 oil, and is a 50-state CARB-approved gas pressure washer. This pressure washer produces 3,200 PSI of pressure at 2.7 GPM that gives it a cleaning power of 8,640. To produce that power, the 7,122 uses a Generac OHV 196cc engine with a manual choke or primer. Paired to that is a high-quality axial cam pump. It's these two combined which allow this pressure washer to deliver such power. You get a 20-inch Lance power dial ergonomic spray gun. The knob controller on the gun allows you to easily switch between 4 different cleaning tasks: car, wood, concrete, soap. You also get a 30-foot long high-pressure flex hose, which is non-marring and kink-resistant. The SpeedWash 7122 also comes with 4 quick-change nozzle tips for 0 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and soap. Pros: the high-pressure flex hose made from polyurethane is soft and pliable. Storing and using this is fantastic. Loads of included extras. Huge cleaning power. Cons: you need to know how to maintain a gas pressure washer. The warranty isn't transferable. Coming in number 2. Simpson Cleaning MSH3125. The Simpson MSH3125S is a gas-powered model famed for its sheer power and its ability to leave almost any surface you can think of spotless. Commercial grade and highly durable, it may not be the prettiest looking pressure washer, but it was what a pressure washer was always meant to be. Powered by a Honda GC190 engine, this pressure washer can produce 3,200 pounds per square inch at 2.5 gallons per minute. This gives this pressure washer a total cleaning power of 8,000, that's a mighty number. The engine and pump sit on a welded steel frame, which is mounted to two 10-inch premium pneumatic wheels. You get 5 quick connect nozzle tips, 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and soap, so you won't be left wanting. The frame has individual slots to store the nozzle tips, so switching out is a breeze and the nozzle tips never get lost. You get a 25-foot Morflex high-pressure hose. This is a flexible hose that is made from polyurethane as an outer layer, with a polyester braid inner construction, giving you a flexible and durable high-pressure hose. You get a 2-year Honda 2-year GC consumer warranty, a 1-year warranty on the pump, a 5-year warranty on the frame, and a 90-day warranty on accessories. Pros: I love the flexible hose. It makes using and storing this pressure was super easy. Handles removes for easy storage. The Honda GC190 engine puts out huge amounts of power. Cons: doesn't have a built-in detergent tank. Instead, you have a siphon hose. This is fine, but not ideal when moving around. Coming in number 1. Powerhouse International. This pressure washer by Powerhouse certainly lives up to its name. It's a powerhouse of performance with looks to match. You know, it's not often you come across an electric pressure washer which can produce 3,000 PSI. This is usually handled solely by gas pressure washers. I was pleasantly surprised by this. I love its red platinum design, and the whole body is mounted onto a 4-wheel system, which really helps when maneuvering around the yard. This isn't the lightest pressure washer, coming in at 32 pounds, but moving it around and storing shouldn't be a problem. The motor powering this pressure washer produces 3,000 PSI at 2.2 GPM. This gives us a solid 6,600 of cleaning power. There isn't much which will withstand that amount of force. This is also a surprisingly quiet unit when it's in use, which is nice and good for noise pollution. Pros: easy to transport thanks to the 4 caster wheels. Rotating patio brush is convenient for cleaning your drive and patio. The spray wand can be extended for reaching those hard-to-reach places, high windows for example. Cons: the soap container is rather small, so you will have to refill it a couple of times. The wheels aren't large, so they can take some getting used to.